It's day 482. Been living here for about 40 days. Where's the people? Where are you from? There's no people. Oh my gosh. Someone help! Naked and Afraid XL. Guys, there's a bear. A teddy bear. It's the climb. After almost 6 months, we're finally back to the civilization. Almost out of water. Can't wait to see the outside world. I wonder if COVID is done. I wonder if world peace has been achieved. Holy shit. It's the lighthouse. 𝐓𝐿, are you there? I'm gonna go swimming.
Oh my gosh, it's like super cold. No way.
Oh my god! No, stop! What the fuck? Shit. This is another obstacle journey. The last man standing.
Oh my god! Whoa. That's so cold!
What the hell?
Why?
What do you get from this? What do you get from doing this? I got food. Now I'm just by myself. I guess I'm stranded here. They left me. I don't know where to go. If anyone want to adopt me, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Where the f are they? I don't know where they are. Where are they? Are they here? Not here. Where are they? Fucking lost. There's literally only 2 ice cream shops. My big brain figured it out. I think I know where they are. I didn't call them, okay? I can survive by my own. I can see them fatties. Where's the other fatty? What do you get?
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! This is chocolate mint. Day 3 and we're waiting for the ship to deliver us to hell.
Deliver us from heaven.
They're gonna bring us to the underworld.
Upside down.
Under the sea. Under the sea.
We're going upside down and find 11 from strangers.
We're gonna go to the pineapple under the sea bikini bar.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Lighthouse, built in 1885.
Welcome to my swimming pool. You don't need Gatorade. You don't need Monster Energy drink. You just need Diet Coke. Reach the end of the island. Better be here next year. I'm gonna come back for you. So we're on our way heading back to the dock. It was a fun experience. It's chilly, but you know, at least I'm dressed up warm. But also at the same time, I want to go back here when the weather's warmer because I actually want to enjoy the water, go for a swim. But yeah, it was a fun experience. Look at this. Guys, I'm gonna prank my sister.
I can hear her.